हे गाईज, तुम्हाला वाटत असेल मी असं का दिसतोय, माझा आवाज असा का येतो? आता वाजले सकाळचे 6. बाळही झोपलंय आणि आता मला उठायचं, मला आवरायचं, बिकॉज आज आहे आमचा इंग्रजीचा डे. म्हणजे आज आम्ही सगळेजण इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलणार आहे. फ्रेंड्स माझे बाहेर वेट करत आहेत. मला उठायला थोडासा लेट झाला आहे आणि इंग्रजी बोलताना आमचं फक्त 1-2 जणांचं इंग्रजी चांगलं आहे. सो ते बोलताना किती मजा येणार आहे ही या ब्लॉगमध्ये तुम्हाला पाहायलाच मिळेल. सो कुठे जाऊ नका, हा व्लॉग पूर्ण पहा. मी आवरतो, नाहीतर मला इंग्रजीमध्ये शिव्या पडतील आज. बाय 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 बाय. फ्रेंड्स आर वेटिंग आउटसाइड.
Here's the man. Please come outside. I have to make some announcement. Please come outside.
I have some problem with my English.
Good morning, by the way. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you?
Where is he?
Yeah, you can see very similar Nazari here and there. Sit on sunrise.
This is the man. He is alien from moon. He is alien.
Very dear. Hello, good morning.
They are two brothers.
As you say, I park inside.
Beautiful sun is coming there, and we are here for workout. Here are some other people doing workout here. I don't know their names. And here is alien. His name is Avinash. Prathamesh. He is Vedant. Shubham. And the third class English guy is I am Mandar. Now we are going to running, and where is running? There is ground. There.
My father.
Yes. His English is very good. Yes. Please speak.
Sorry. My English very is little weak. Okay.
VK. He is a very good English speaker.
No, he is a agriculture officer.
He is agriculture officer. What you say? What you say? Officer.
This person is
Officer.
talking about this.
I am so glad to meet you, officer. Where are you?
This person is talking about it. This is not I am that.
This is person is talking that. This is not I am that. I know my English is also weak, but I could not understand this type of peoples. Okay, that is problem. When someone is going, this someone is going from our side, then I am very scared because
We feel awkward.
no, I am very
Because we are
scared
vlogging for our
because
very first time, yeah. And we are speaking English. People are seeing us from the very bad.
Hey,
You keep quiet. 2
please
minutes.
keep quiet.
Why should I keep quiet? Huh? Why should I keep quiet? Just tell me the reason. What you are saying?
He is
See, if he speaks, my skull gets ants. Okay,
Yes.
your ants in your skull, we will do hit on the skull. Okay, bring your skull here.
so I think we should run. सकाळी व्यायाम करण्याची मजा काही वेगळीच असते आणि आम्ही सगळे आलो इकडे आणि रोज सकाळी येतो आणि व्यायाम करतो, रनिंग करतो, जिम करतो थोडीफार. आम्ही रोज अशीच मजा करत असतो. आता हा एक नवीन उपक्रम चालू केला आहे की इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलायचं आणि आय थिंक खूप मजा येणार आहे. कारण आमच्यातले काही जण असे आहे, म्हणजे शुभम खूप जास्त बोलतो, मी खूप जास्त बोलतो, बट आमच्याकडे वर्ड्स नाही आहेत इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलायला. बिकॉज विलेज साईडचा जे विलेजमध्ये राहतात त्यांना माहिती असेल की इकडे इंग्लिशमध्ये कोणी बोलत नाही. सो तो एक प्रॉब्लेम आहे वर्ड्सचा. मजा येणार आहे. आता ते आलेत. व्हॉट आर यू टॉकिंग असं चाललं आहे. ओके, नाव इन इंग्लिश. What?
Why are you taking footage yourself? We are also there.
No,
I'm here. He here.
I'm just talking my feelings to audience that I'm that much of poor and he is very poor and he is best in English.
Not, I'm not best.
This is the only guy who is dedicated and who is inspired from Milkha Singh. What's your feeling about him?
Him.
Yes.
My PA.
and now 2 rounds completed. That Milkha is coming again near to us. We will not give footage to him.
Good morning.
Good morning. And how you feel while you ran?
Very
You both very
motivated.
motivated, not it's for your body. How you feel? How your body feel?
Now my body feels very warm.
Huh.
But
Yes.
when
When
human get exercise,
human
get exercise,
exercise, yes. Huh.
then his body become very warm. No?
I can understand. Please don't speak. I can understand. Please don't speak.
I am not able to run because my
diaphragm
hurts
very
very
hard.
bad.
His diagram. Where is diagram?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Where is diaphragm? Your brother is also saying his diaphragm hurt. You are also saying your diaphragm hurts. Is there problem in their both diaphragm?
No, you
Whenever-
take gaps in 2 weeks of running. We don't take any gap, single gap.
No, my diaphragm is not hurting.
That's what I am saying, na.
Okay.
You took break.
So if audience, if you run every day, then your diaphragm will hurt. So don't run every day.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं
He told him, if you run outside the ground, then these little stones in ground. If
I have also kidney stones.
no.
So this is his English.
Cut. Hello guys.
Avinash,
We
please.
should exercise regularly.
Yes.
Exercising is very good for our health.
Yes. You also tell some people.
Same like that. Pakistani captain.
My answer also the same. Nothing. No difference.
Here is dedication, here is distraction, but I track towards distraction. Here I fail. From Mercedes I came to Splendor in these 2 seconds.
Please, audience is waiting for you. Audience is waiting for you. 2 words for your dedication and 2 words for audience to get inspired from you. 2 words.
Work is very important.
2 words only. Work is very important. Not 4 words. 2 words.
Fuck off.
Shubham, you know that cricketers are future Dhoni.
Fuck off.
They are tennis players. And there is no tennis tournament in this world.
Our running is finally completed. Now we will go to stretching and doing yoga and meditation. Also the gym equipments. So let's go.
He is giving.
I'm not getting this. What's this?
What are you doing with that? What
I'm
it
not-
helps? What it helps?
It's stress relief.
2 1 or 2. Yes, please do.
Number 8.
So audience will watch how it works.
But it brings stretching to the thighs and calves.
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling very good because this helps us to improve your chest.
अब तुम्हारे आस-पास आ रही बारात, करना इनकार बार बार देना साथ, अब तो अरे आस पास आ रही बारात, करना इनकार बार बार देना साथ।